So this is the Anua PDRN and Hyaluronic Acid Cleansing Foam. I just started using this and I really like it. So I started back on tretinoin, so I needed something that was going to be more moisturizing for my face, and this has been a lifesaver. Anyone who uses tretinoin knows that you need something nice and moisturizing that's not going to strip the hell out of your skin. This is definitely something to consider because it keeps your face nice and moisturized, and when you're done washing your face, your face will feel clean, but it doesn't feel like squeaky clean, which I don't like. So you get this huge bottle, and you can see this is the color and consistency of it. It does have a smell, but only slightly. Kind of smells maybe a little bit like clay. It's definitely not perfumed, but you can see that it's a nice thick, and then you can see how well it just foams up, which is fantastic because then you know you're actually like getting a nice thick soap on, and that it does a really good job cleaning. And it's super easy to wash off. And another thing is that it does a really good job taking off sunscreen. So see, it's just nice and clean. It smells fantastic. If you like the weird clay scent, which I do. I'm not a huge like floral scent person, but definitely check this out. If you need a more moisturizing cleanser, this is the one for you.